Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the Icon Overlord SB2 textile jacket. The Overlord SB2 jacket retails for $195 as of the time we're filming this video. Please understand, we don't update videos when prices change, only if the product itself has been fully redesigned. This is part of their Overlord jacket family. There's multiple versions of this. They all offer similar features, similar benefits, similar cuts. Where they really differ is the styling of the coat. This particular one is available in multiple eye-popping colorways. It's really a great looking jacket. Let's dive into sizing. 5 feet 11 inches tall, 197 pounds. I have a 32 to 33 inch waist right now. I'm wearing a size large in the Overlord SB2 coat. And you can see the fit that I get from it is right where it should be. Really good in the arms and the shoulders. I do have a little extra to go here, so you get a little bit of that wintertime weight. This thing's still gonna fit me in the spring. This jacket ships with a full complement of D3O CE certified armor. Elbows, forearms, shoulders, as well as back. I love that. It's a huge value add. That is a premium armor complement. It's important to note the armor in the elbow and forearms is in an adjustable pocket. There are 3 levels of adjustment to choose from. So if you put this thing on, and kind of like I have it right now, it's like, man, that stuff's a little higher than I'd like it. Right now it is in the highest pocket. I can go in there, and I've already done this, and I can adjust that and put it in the pocket where it rides lower and really personalize the fit for myself. And that's something I would encourage anyone who buys this jacket to really invest the time in having a look at to make sure the armor's in the right place and the comfort is the highest level possible. This jacket also includes a built-in vest liner, insulated vest liner. It's easy to remove and reinstall. It's going to help you regulate the temperature with this jacket. For airflow, all the stretch fabric you see here, it's going to help motion, mobility, and comfort. It also allows for an exchange of air in this area. Forearms, they have a nice built-in ventilation system. It's a double zip with a mesh panel behind it. Almost any type of bike you ride, when your hands are out on the handlebars, they're going to be in the wind. A great way to bring wind into a motorcycle jacket is by using a vent of this style. It's going to drive it into the coat, get it to circulate around. This jacket also offers some laser perforation, right? It's kind of asymmetrical up here. If you look at the Overlord SB2 Prime jacket, that one offers a ton of laser perf for more cooling. We'll show you the exhaust vents on the back of this jacket in the second portion of this video. Volume adjusters are provided here at the waist. Textile with a metal snap. Storage. Zippered hand warmer style storage pockets, both sides, nice quality locking zips. All the graphics you see here are sublimated, high quality, they don't fade. Inside the coat we have a zippered storage pocket left breast. We have 2 slip pockets that are built into the inner mesh liner of the jacket as well. If you like what you see so far, you just want some more detail, stay tuned for the second portion. Caleb's going to give you a look from the inside out. Here we go, the Icon Overlord SB2 textile jacket from the inside out. This jacket comes with a removable quilted vest liner, zips in, zips out. Nice quality, helps you regulate the temperature. One thing I like that they've done is they have a pass-through pocket, so it's easy to get to the internal storage that's built in that jacket. Also includes a full complement of CE certified D3O armor. Look at that back protector, man. That stuff is just moldable, flexible, comfortable, but the most important part is it's really protective, very efficient, and energy absorbent. Here is the shoulder insert, same gig there. Elbow and forearm insert. Shell of the jacket itself, man, we have a ton of detail here, right? Lots of eye candy with this jacket. Some cool stuff they've done here, like look at the laser perforated textile panel. You have a nice heavy D back piece, sublimated graphics, laser perfed. It looks really professional, really tidy. Got a nice stretch fabric panel here. It keeps the mobility of the jacket, the comfort of the jacket nice and high. Icon logo there, sublimated. Volume adjustment at the waist is provided with Textile 3 levels of metal snaps to help dial the fit in to suit you and your body type. Sleeve of the jacket, little motion panel up here. Heavy denier fabric. It's broken up. Little stretch fabric insert there. Allows it to flex real nicely at the elbow. Icon logo sublimated in. For additional airflow, they have an integrated vent built into the lower portion of the sleeve here in the form. You simply zip down the second stage of the zipper, all locking zippers, of course. That exposes a mesh panel behind it. That's a great place to bring airflow in, because think, your arms are out on the bars, they're out in the wind, drives the air inside the coat. It's going to cool the rider down. Entry and exit is managed with that zip. I'll give you a close look at that mesh panel. Front of the coat, once again, tremendous amount of style with this jacket. Zippered, hand warmer style storage pockets, both sides with locking zips. They are large sized. Sublimated graphics, split by the zip. Look at the asymmetrical laser perforation here in that textile fabric. That looks really bitchin'. We have lots of stretch fabric here. In the inner arm, this will also allow for airflow. It goes down into the underarm area, into the chest as well. So this jacket, even though you don't see a bunch of mesh, don't think for a second this jacket's not going to move a very strong amount of air. As much as a full mesh jacket, no, but pretty damn close. You get inside the coat. Here is that storage pocket left breast. Let's pull that little tag off. Icon for years has included this little stash pocket inside the coat that holds a St. Christopher medal. End of the day, a little good karma never hurt any motorcycle rider, that's for sure. Additional storage can be found. Slip pocket here on the left, mirror image over here on the right. Here is the pocket that holds the back protector, nice mesh liner. Nice little rolled comfort fabric up here around the collar to keep it comfortable at the neck. All in all, what do I think? You saw what it looked like when I had it on earlier. If you dig the style, you dig the way it fits, you're going to like this. Icon makes a great motorcycle jacket.